So we are here with practice set 17, and here we have to find the measure of supplementary angles. First, let us try to understand what are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the total of two angles is always 180 degrees. Okay, when the total of two angles is 180 degree, they are supplement to each other. Okay, so I'll write here that 15 degree. Okay, I'll first write let the supplementary angle be x degree. So the total of these two angles will be how much? It will be 180 degree. So this just two things you have to remember. Complementary means total is 90 degree. Supplementary means the total of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, so x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 15 degrees. Okay, so what is 180 minus 15? It is 165. So this is your answer. Second one is 85 degree. Again the same steps. Let the supplementary angle be x degree. So 85 plus x equals to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 85. Okay, so what is 180 minus 85? 180 minus 85 is 95 degrees. So this is your final answer. Let us move on to third one. Third one is 120 degree. I'll write let the supplementary angle be x degree. Okay, so simple. 120 plus x will give me how much? It will give me 180 degree. So 120 will move there. X is equal to 180 minus 120. It is 60 degrees. Okay, and fourth one is 37 degrees. So I'll write let the supplementary angle be x degree. So 37 plus x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 minus 37. What is 180 minus 37? It is 143 degrees. Okay, x equals to 143 degrees. Correct? So let us move on to sum number 5. Okay, which is 108 degrees. So I'll write let the supplementary angle be y degree. I can take any other variable. So 108 plus y equals to 180 degree. Y equals to 180 minus 108, which is equal to 72 degrees. Okay. Sixth one is 0 degree. So let the supplementary angle be x degree. So 0 plus x equals to 180, and x is 180 minus 0, so x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Seventh one is 8 degrees. So let the supplementary angle be, I'll write here y. So a plus y equals to 180 degree. So what is y degree? 180 minus a. this is your final answer, 180 minus A. Okay, you can just put a bracket here for your final answer. So we have completed question number 1. Let us move on to question number 2. Question number 2 says that the measure of the angles are given here, angle B and angle Y and so on. We have to pick such angles and make pairs of complementary angles and supplementary angles. Like, I'll first take pair of complementary angles. You know, pair of complementary angles means total should be 90. So if I take this angle B, okay, so if I take angle N, it will be complementary? Yes. Okay, so first pair I'll take angle B and angle N. Okay, then any other angle Y, if I take with 0 degree, it will be 90. This I cannot take, this I can take. Okay, so 75 I can take with 15, correct? So I'll take then angle Y plus angle E, 90 plus 0. So angle Y and angle E. Okay, next is I can take this angle D plus angle F. If I take 75 plus 15, it will also be 90 degree. So your third pair is angle D and angle F. I cannot make any other pair. These are the pairs of complementary angles that I can select from this. Okay, now let us see, they have also asked supplementary angles we have to select. Okay, so let us see supplementary angles. So pair of supplementary angles, if you see, I can take angle B with which angle I'll take it with angle G, correct? So it is 60 plus 120, which is equal to 180. So first pair I got angle B and angle G. Then 30 I can take with 150. Yes, 150 is here. So angle N plus angle J. Okay, so that is 30 plus 150 equals to 180 degrees. Correct? So angle N and angle J. Then angle Y is 90, so I cannot get any other angle Y 90. Okay, and 150 with 30 I already took. 0 degree, no, not possible. This also not possible. So these are the only two pairs of supplementary angles that we got. Okay, let us move on to third one. Question number 3 states that in triangle XYZ, let me draw a triangle XYZ where angle Y is 90 degree. Okay, so they have asked what kind of pair is angle X and angle Z. Okay, so we'll just find. We know that the total of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Yes or no? In a triangle, the total of all three angles is always 180 degrees. Okay, so I'll write here angle X plus Y, I'll write 90 degree plus angle Z equals to 180 degree. Correct? I'll substitute this Y 90 degree. So angle X plus angle Z equals to 90 will move there, it will become minus 90. So angle X plus angle Z equals to 90 degree. What does this mean? This means that angle X and angle Z make complementary angles. Okay, remember students that in a right angle triangle, one angle is a right angle, the other two angles form complementary angles. They always make complementary angles. Okay, let us move on to fourth one. The fourth one says that the difference between measure of two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Okay, now if I tell you this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree, okay, are these a pair of complementary angles? Yes, because they are forming 90 degree. So what is the difference between them? If I ask you, the difference is 30 degree, correct? One more example I'll give you. This is 80 and this is 10. Are they complementary angles? Yes, they are complementary angles. But what is the difference between them? The difference is 70. Means here they have given the difference. How much is the difference between two angles? It is 40 degrees. Okay, we don't know what are the angles. The angles are hidden, but their difference is 40 degrees. Okay, now how will we do? This is 40 degrees. So if I tell you this smaller angle is x, you will take bigger angle as x plus the difference, x plus 70, correct? So what will I do here? Let the smaller angle be x degree, therefore the bigger angle, you know the difference is 40 degree, so bigger angle will be 40 more, so it will be x plus 40 degree, correct? You know both are complementary angles, so I'll write x plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. So x plus 40 equals to 90. 2x plus 40 equals to 90. 2x is equal to 90 minus 40. So 2x is equal to 50. So we got x is equal to 50 upon 2. What is 50 upon 2? It is 25 degrees. Correct? Now, because x is equal to 25 degrees, we have to find, this is one of the angle, therefore smaller angle is equal to 25 degree and bigger angle. What is the bigger angle? It is x plus 40. So it is 25 plus 40. How much is 25 plus 40? It is 65 degrees. So you got the two angles. One is 25 degrees, the other is 65 degrees. You can see their total will be 90 degrees, and if you see their difference will be how much? Their difference will be 40 degrees. Okay, so with this we completed the fourth word problem. We'll move on to fifth one. Sixth one says that quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle, and we have to write the pairs of supplementary angles. You know rectangle means all angles are 90 degrees. Okay, so the pairs of supplementary angles, supplementary means total should be 90. Okay, so first one I am taking angle P and angle T. Okay, then I am taking angle T and angle N. This is also 180. Then I am taking angle N and angle M, correct? Then I am taking angle M and angle P. Okay, then you can see angle M and angle T. Okay, and I'll take this one, angle P and angle N. Correct? So we got 6 pairs of supplementary angles. Okay, let us move on to sixth one. Sixth one says that angle A is equal to 70 degree. We have to find the supplement of complement of A. Okay, supplement of complement of A. So first we'll just focus on complement of A. Then we'll find the supplement of angle A. Now let us find complement of angle A. Let the complementary angle be x. So 70 plus x equals to 90 degree. What is 90 minus 70? It is 20 degrees. Okay, now we got this as 20. We have to find the supplement of this. Okay, therefore supplementary angle of 20 degree be y. Okay, this I am taking 20 degree plus y equals to, 180 degree supplementary means total is 180 degree. Y equals to 180 minus 20, y equals to 160 degrees. Okay. So this is your final answer. The supplement of complement of A is 160 degrees. Let us move on to seventh one. The first thing given here in question 7th is angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. So can I write this? Yes, angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. So angle A we have to find, and angle B is how much? X plus 20. Okay, so equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle A equals to, I'll just write here angle A plus X and subtract this 180 minus 20. 20 will come here. So angle A plus X equals to 160 degree. So what is this? X also will move there. It is 160 minus X degrees. Okay, so angle A is 160 minus X degrees. So with this we complete our practice set 17. Very soon we'll be coming with practice set 18th. Okay, goodbye, good luck.